Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about paprika and the main types of paprika. In case you're not all that familiar with them, hopefully this will help you out. There's three main types of paprika. There's sweet, smoked, and hot paprika. There's a distinct flavor difference between the types of paprika, and so that can give you a varied flavor profile for whatever dish you want to put it on, with the flavors ranging from mild and sweet to smoky to bitter to hot. It's helpful to really know about the different types so you can use them appropriately in your food preparation. Regarding sweet paprika, this type of paprika is usually just labeled as paprika. It adds bright orange-red color and a slightly sweet flavor without any heat to a dish. It's often used as a garnish on deviled eggs and potato salad, and used as a flavoring in meat rubs and marinades. It can also be added to cheese, chicken, duck, hors d'oeuvres, rice, salads, smoked foods, vegetables, and cottage cheese as well. It can even be added to salad dressings, where it can act as an emulsifier, which helps to combine the oil and vinegar, the watery substance with the oily substance, and help them to blend together very well. If a recipe does not call for a specific type of paprika, sweet paprika is usually what should be used. And it sometimes is used to balance flavors of other spices in a dish. So bear that in mind. If the recipe doesn't say a particular type, use plain paprika or sweet paprika. Now regarding smoked paprika, this type of paprika is made from sweet peppers that were smoked during the drying process, and that gives it a smoky or almost a meaty type of flavor. It adds a subtle smokiness to food when it's used on top of foods or with foods, and it's sometimes referred to as smoked Spanish paprika or pimenton. Forgive me if I didn't pronounce that right. Smoked paprika comes in several varieties, including mild, medium hot, and hot, so you need to be careful of which one you pick up, so you pick up the one that's right for you. And note that substituting smoked paprika for sweet paprika, or vice versa, will definitely change the flavor of the food that it is used on, sometimes in an undesirable way. So again, you need to be very careful about what type of paprika you use to make sure you get the intended flavor profile that you're looking for in your food. Smoked paprika can be used as flavoring in potatoes, sweet potatoes, lentil dishes, rice dishes, salad dressing, romesco sauce for pasta, stews, barbecued sauces, and dishes like chicken dishes, veggie burgers, vegetarian meatballs and gravy, shrimp dishes, tacos, barbecued sauce and sandwiches, deviled eggs, seasoned salt blends, corn chowder, refried beans, Tuscan bean soup, butternut squash dishes, pot pies, and any dish where you want a bit of smoky flavor added to it. That was a long list. Regarding hot paprika, hot paprika is Hungarian paprika. It's considered to be the national spice of Hungary. It's an important spice used in Hungarian cooking, and it's often considered to be superior to other types of paprika. That might be a personal preference there. It adds a peppery spiciness to any dish that it's used in, and in Turkey and Hungary it's often used like a lot of Americans will use black pepper, so that should give you a frame of reference there. And in those countries, it's kept on the table and used as desired on any dish, like Americans would use black pepper. Hot paprika is often used in stews, meat dishes, and any dish that would benefit from a touch of cayenne pepper type flavor. I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.